Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to Flamingo Beach Circle in Trelawny, Jamaica. Here you will find this charming 5-bedroom and 5-bathroom house for sale. It offers ample space and comfort. The house was built in 2001 and sits on a little over half an acre of land. The main level includes a breakfast room and an elegant formal dining room. Relax and unwind in the luxurious jacuzzi or enjoy the breathtaking ocean views from the spacious patio. Outside sits a 432 square feet swimming pool, the beautifully landscaped yard with paved walkways boasts a large lawn area against a backdrop of a variety of healthy fruit trees. This property is a true oasis of tranquility and beauty. Please make contact to schedule a viewing and make an offer. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 690,000 or Jamaican $106.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.